Hi guys, it's Autumn here from itsalwaysautumn.com. Today we're learning how to do a wood slice photo transfer. This video is going to show you how to prep your photo in Photoshop Elements 15 with a couple of really cool effects to make a really pretty finished gift. We're going to be mostly using guided edits, but we'll start in expert mode for just a quick step. So open your photo, click expert mode, and then hit C or click over here to open up the crop tool. We need our photo to be roughly the same size as our wood slice before we get started. So my wood slice is about 9 inches wide and 7 3/4 inches high. So I'm just going to enter those dimensions down here. Then I can grab the box here and move it around until I have just what I want to see in the finished photo showing inside this crop box. When I like how it looks, I hit the green check mark to commit that, and then we can move over into guided mode. The first guided edit we're going to look at is under the color menu, and it's this saturated film effect edit. Now, because we're transferring onto wood, we need our image to be really bright and saturated, because once we transfer onto wood, some of the brightness goes away since wood is darker than the plain white photo paper that a photo would be printed onto. So we can just click this Add Saturated Film Effect button 3 or 4 times, however many you want, until it looks really bright and saturated. I really like how that looks, so I'm going to hit Next, and then choose Continue Editing in Quick. Then we'll go back to the guided edits. So the next guided edit we're going to look at is under Fun Edits, and it's this one called Painterly. We're going to use this to give our photo the feel of a painting. It's really easy. Over here on the right, it leads you step by step right through what you need to do. First thing you'll do is choose a paintbrush. Now, as soon as we click that, you'll see that the photo has gone a little bit gray. It's a little bit hard to see it. And then as we hover over it, we'll see the outline of a paintbrush. We're going to click the paintbrush onto our painting or onto our photo to kind of reveal it as a painting. We can choose different shapes of brushes. This one's a little bit different. We can also change the size of the brush. We can also change the brush angle. So what I just want to do is start clicking around with these brushes, changing the angle, maybe changing the brush style a few times, changing the size, just to get a really organic feel. I really like to change the brush angle quite a lot, because it can end up looking very similar if you don't change the angle around. Also, because my wood slice is an oval, I want to kind of make sure I'm creating an oval shape with my brushes here. It doesn't need to be perfect by any means. Okay. I like how that looks, so I'm going to select white as my background canvas color. And then we have the optional choice to add a texture. You can do this, but it's a subtle enough effect that it doesn't show up very well on the wood slice. So this is kind of, you can do it if you'd like or not. The thing I really like to do though is this fourth step, is add an effect. And these are all different painterly effects that'll make you'll see it'll make a huge change on how your photo looks and make it look a lot more like a painting. My favorite one is this one here in the middle. Okay, so I really like the look of that, and I'm going to hit Next and continue editing in Quick again. Our very final step before we print this out is that we need to flip it, because we are going to get a mirror image once we do the photo transfer. So we just go up under Image, Rotate, and Flip Horizontal, and that'll automatically flip our photo for us. At this point, you can just print it out. Make sure when you print it that you're using the actual size no crop to fit or anything like that. And make sure that you print it using a toner-based printer. So your inkjet printer is not going to work at home. Now, one thing to remember, if you don't have a laser printer, you can print it on your inkjet printer at home and then take it to a copy shop and have them make a toner-based copy for you.